Joel Gonzalez Bonilla was proud to earn Spain's first Taekwondo gold medal and said his victory in the Olympic flyweight, -58 kilograms, category was the culmination of 4 years of blood, sweat and tears. "I've been through so much hard work to reach this gold, I've had so much support but also so much pain, but in the end it all paid off," he said after beating Dae-hoon of South Korea in the final. "We've never managed to get gold in Taekwondo until now, so I'm so glad and it's so great to be the first one. It's been a fantastic year for me. I won the 2011 World Championships and now the Olympics. It's the icing on the cake after 4 years of hard work." Bonilla swept through the competition and was particularly impressive in the semi-finals where he demolished Oscar Munoz Oviedo 13-4. He faced his toughest opponent in the final but was quicker and more accurate with his kicks than the shaggy-haired Korean, jumping into a 5-2 lead in the